Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Kwgt and loading the widget you want to recolor. Tap the widget preview and choose Edit so you can work on layers directly. Once inside, locate the layer that defines the element's color. That could be a shape, text, or an overlap group. Make sure that layer is selected and visible, otherwise your color change will have no effect. Also verify the global preset is unlocked so you can save changes when finished. Next, you open the layer's color or paint settings and pick how you want to apply color. Choose solid for a single hue, gradient for blends, or the color picker if you need precise control. Adjust the alpha or opacity slider to set transparency. That matters for overlays. If you want dynamic changes, use a formula or a global variable such as $WG_. This lets you change colors from the home screen or via skin presets. Save often while iterating. To finish, save the preset and refresh your home screen so Kwgt redraws the widget. This applies the new color. Once done, make sure layer order isn't hiding your recolored element and that opacity is not set to 0. If the color still won't update, test the layer with a known solid color to isolate the issue and confirm any global variable contains a valid hex or numeric value. One troubleshooting tip: clear the app cache or reload the preset to force a full refresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.